Physics class 11, 7 chapter system of particle and rotational motion, question number 7.33. So in this we have to prove that L prime is equal to Ri prime cross Pi prime, where this is the angular momentum of system with respect to center of mass. Suppose the body is moving with velocity v, and velocity of any ith particle with respect to center of mass is v prime, and location of this ith particle with respect to center of mass is Ri prime, and with respect to any point O on the ground, the position of ith particle with respect to ground is Ri, and position of center of mass with respect to ground can be written as R. So by vector law we can say that Ri can be written as position of ith particle with respect to ground can be written as position of center of mass with respect to ground, and position of ith particle with respect to center of mass. Angular momentum of ith particle with respect to ground O can be written as Ri prime, Ri cross Pi. Pi is the momentum of ith particle, linear momentum of ith particle with respect to ground, into Vi. Vi is the velocity of ith particle with respect to ground, which can be written as V prime plus V. On substituting the value of Pi, we can say that LIO, that is angular momentum of ith particle with respect to O, can be written as R cross P. So on substituting the value of R, we can say that R plus R1 prime cross V plus V prime into Mi. So this can be resolved as Mi into R cross V plus R cross V prime plus, on multiplying each term with Mi, so first term is Mi into R cross V plus second term Mi into R cross V prime plus third term Mi into R1 prime cross V plus Mi into R1 prime cross V prime. So now in order to analyze this, we can say that Mi into, in order to take the angular momentum of each particle, finally what we are going to do, we are going to take the summation of each and every term. So finally when we take the summation of each and every term, we can say that this term represent Mi into Ri prime. So the mass momentum with respect to center of mass can be written as 0. So this term would be 0, which is Mi Ri prime would be 0. Other way, this can also be written as 0, as this is Mi into V prime. So on differentiating this, we will get this term. So this is also 0. Finally, the expression which left is angular momentum of all the particle with respect to point O is can be written as summation of Mi into R cross V plus summation of Mi into R1 prime V prime. So this can be written as M into R cross V plus sigma Mi into R1 prime cross V prime. This is angular momentum with respect to point O. Now when we look at this, this is the momentum, angular momentum of center of mass with respect to point O, and this is angular momentum of each and every particle with respect to center of mass. So this would be L dash, which is equal to summation of Pi cross Vi, Ri cross Vi. This can be, L dash can be written as sigma of Ri cross Pi.